What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm bringing you guys another video to where today I'm going to be trying to burp the ABCs. Yep. So anyways, I have a new necklace. Let me know if you guys like it or not. I mean, I'll wear it or I won't wear it. But for right now, I don't know if you guys like it, so I'm just going to keep it on. And if you guys don't like it, well, I don't care. I'm just going to keep it like that, I guess. It'll still be there. But yeah, anyways, so I just want to give a shout out to Menace Manor. You know, I kicked him out of Menace and then I let him back in. So yeah, let's burp the ABCs now. Oh.
You are S D U V W X Y. Now I know. You
Oh, so I did A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, I said, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And my stomach's in pain.
Yeah.